Vanguard's revolutionary oil guard technology is a first in the commercial landscape market, offering extended oil maintenance intervals, faster oil changes, and unprecedented cost savings. Unlike typical commercial engines, OilGuard's oil storage has been moved away from the engine sump, protecting the oil from thermal breakdown. And by using a bulk aluminum reservoir, a 5-quart volume of oil, and cooling properties of the metal work together to disperse heat. This helps extend oil maintenance intervals to a recommended 500 hours instead of the typical 100 hours. OilGuard also enhances oil filtration thanks to an 82% larger automotive-style filter and a cyclonic filter action, which helps decrease oil aeration. And oil changes are now faster and easier than ever thanks to OilGuard's operator-focused design. Positioned for easier access, just open the drain tube and remove and swap the filter with a quick turn. The new wide mouth opening easily fits 5-quart oil bottles for no mess and no need for a funnel. Less downtime, lower labor costs, longer engine life, and faster oil changes will make your work easier and cheaper, saving you up to 60% on oil maintenance costs per unit per season. The Oil Guard system, only available from Vanguard.